This is Bearded Appliance Repair, and we're going to help you fix it. We have a KitchenAid French door refrigerator today, and we got some weird stuff going on with the display. This is what it looks like, and no matter what button you press, you may get some lights out of it, but nothing changes. But every time I've seen this, it has been the main control board in the back every single time. So we're going to go ahead and swap out this main board. And remember, first thing you always want to do is unplug it. Disconnect power to the unit. Then we got this panel that we're going to take off, and it'll expose where the main board is. It's just 4 screws, so we're going to take these out real quick. Once you get that panel off, there's another clear panel that you'll need to get off with a screwdriver here. So we're going to get this off and get these harnesses off the board and get that board out. Alright, once you get this board out and you're ready to put the new one on, you do not want to touch that board until you ground yourself. All you got to do is touch some metal anywhere before you touch that board. These boards are sensitive to static electricity, so if you touch them and you have static electricity on you, you can blow them even though they're brand new. But once you ground yourself, you can put the board back in the way you took it out and get those harnesses back on. Alright, the board is in, panel's back on. We're going to plug this thing up and we have to program it. You hold water, then the bottom left, then you let go of water, and then you hold it for 3 seconds and you should see that PE just like that. You want to hit that lower left button again, and then you see the top right hand button, it changes the numbers. And on the data plate in there, it tells you what numbers you actually need these things to be. But upper right changes the numbers, and then the upper left changes it to the next digit, so you can change it to what that code is supposed to be. This one is 2213, and again, it's on the data plate right there. 2213, code 2213. And it is 2213. So you just hold the lower left button till it starts blinking, and it'll program that code in, it'll confirm everything, then it'll shut down and come back up, and you'll know it's fixed because you'll get everything that you got before. You'll see. But that's it, guys. This refrigerator's fixed. I mean, fans started coming on, compressor was cooling. It's good to go. So if this has helped, give me a like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.